Welcome to freedemy.online. So currently I'm on freedemy.online student section. You can see here. And on this page, we display the list of enrolled sessions. So the sessions that I've already enrolled for. And you can see there is an issue in this page at the moment. So if you see, there is a session which is scheduled on 15th May, that is tomorrow. But this is coming at the bottom. Whereas all the sessions that I've already attended or completed, those are in ascending order. Now, I need to fix this because the upcoming sessions should come at the top, not at the bottom, for ease of use, right? So for example, if I just go and find session and I can see one particular session here, which is again scheduled for tomorrow, and I can enroll for it. What are everything you need to know? And I can see this is coming at the bottom. Now, ideally, this two sessions, which are upcoming ones, should be on the top of the list. And then rest of the sessions. So these two sessions should be coming in ascending order. Like the first one is 3 p.m. and the next one is 4 p.m. And rest of the sessions should be coming as descending order, that the first it will start with 14th May, the one that I attended, then 13th May, and going back like 12th May, 11th May, and at the bottom it should come as the first one that I attended. So let's fix this issue in this session. So I'll try to fix this issue right away. So here's my Visual Studio Code, and this is the component I'm going to target. This is called student dashboard, and you can see the piece of the code is written. So here is the method which is actually responsible for rendering the enrolled sessions or enrollments. Okay, so uh, if you see currently, I'm just fetching the enrollments from Firestore collections enrollments with this user ID and ordered by simply session date time. But now I need to find a way how I can segregate the data um, in two parts. Mainly, one would be the future sessions which I'm yet to attend and the sessions which are past. So let's try to start making changes. So my approach would be here. Um, Here's the method that I'm going to make or modify. So here we are just checking if enrollments having some value. If no, then we are just displaying you haven't enrolled for any session. If there is at least one enrollments, that will be displayed here. So I'm just rendering this and passing to another component called enrolled sessions component, where I'm just passing as a prop. Um, so I think I need to target here. So first thing, um, let's say enrollments future. I'll I'll try to get the enrollments that are um, x dot session date time is greater than equals to new date. So this is going to give me all the sessions which are of future date, right? So let's have a look at it, how it looks. If I just pass this object instead of enrollment, so let's see what happens. Okay, I might have done something wrong here. So let me take a look at it. Session date time. Okay, I might be wrong here in the syntax. So what I'll do, I'll just take some help from this. Okay, yep. Now I think the mistake I did here is okay. It should be converted to date because this is uh, a date time field. So let's see. Yep. Oh, cool. So now we see only those sessions which are upcoming sessions, and this is already shorted in ascending order, which is fine because I should be logically I should be able to see the 3 p.m. one first and then the 4 p.m. And once these are done, then I should be able to see um, the 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 sessions that have already attended or the sessions which are already completed. So that be in the descending order. So what I'll do here, I will try to create another variable. Say for example, enrollments past, um, and here I will say enrollments dot filter where x tends to x dot session date time dot. So I'll not do the same mistake which I did. So I'll just make it new date. Now this is going to give me enrollments of the past. So if I now pass this just to verify how it works. So let's see. Yep. Now you can see the sessions which are already completed are the past sessions. Now the problem here is that this is coming as ascending order. Ideally, it should come in the descending order. For example, 14th May session should be at the top and 24th April session should be at the bottom. So that's the way we see the history, right? So this is a historical data. So I need to short the descending order. Um, so to achieve that, I already have some piece of code um, how to sort uh, using JavaScript. So I'll just copy that. Here's the filter, and then after that, I'm going to short this. Okay, so yep, this should okay. No, it's still not. It's still showing in the ascending order, so I just need to reverse this. So it should be B minus A, and that should be working. See here, you can see now. So all the historical sessions are now coming in descending order, which is absolutely working as expected. Now, so I need to merge these two objects, right? I need to merge these two objects and display um, display in just single one array. So to achieve that, I think I can just do a concatenate. Um, so if I just make it like future dot concat and then I pass the past one and send it across. Woohoo! Yep, this is exactly what I was looking for. So now you can see this is the latest session that I'm supposed to join in the near future. So this is tomorrow 3 p.m. I'm going to attend this session, and next would be 4 p.m. one, and then rest all are I have already attended. Um, I know there are some scope of opportunities here to segregate that in a two different list. Maybe in the future, I will definitely try to achieve that. But for now, this was my my target to achieve, and I think I could I could achieve this. So yep, that's all for the day. Hope you liked it. Um, yep, see you in the next session. Thank you so much.